We recommend the default dynamic positioning toolbar settings to both novices and experienced users. However, those of you who are already familiar with the train player icons could still save some valuable screen space by selecting a small or medium icon size and turning off the text labels. We also recognize that there may be some users who wish to retain the original system and display all of their tools simultaneously, with no hierarchy and no automatic closing of toolbars when changing tasks. This video will demonstrate how a user who is familiar with the train player icons can rearrange the toolbars to closely replicate the original system. Start by opening Preferences and selecting the Style page. Turn off the text labels. Set the button size to medium or small. Remove the dynamic positioning check mark. Close the Preferences dialog. Open the Customize dialog. Select the Toolbars tab. Ensure that all the toolbars are checked as selected. Close the Customize dialog. You should now have the main and build toolbars docked at the top of the screen. All other toolbars will be floating, and many of them will be obscuring other toolbars. Double-click the title bar of each floating toolbar to dock it at the top of the screen. Continue until all toolbars are docked above the application window. Rearrange the toolbars to suit your preferences by dragging on the vertical handle of each toolbar. The toolbars will dock against any of the four edges of the display. The toolbars can still be opened or closed using the buttons on the main toolbar. If you intend to keep all your toolbars permanently open, you may wish to remove the selector buttons from your main and build toolbars. To achieve this, just right-click on any toolbar and open the Customize dialog. Then drag the unwanted buttons away from the relevant toolbars. Close the Customize dialog to reactivate your new toolbar arrangement. If you wish, you can tidy up the toolbars to eliminate the gaps, although this will happen automatically the next time Train Player is started. Close down and restart Train Player to find all your toolbars exactly where you left them. If you subsequently decide to return to the new dynamic positioning settings, go to the Preferences tab on the File menu. Select the Style page, and check both the text labels and dynamic positioning options. Close the Preferences dialog, and click the Run tool to close all open floating toolbars. If you have removed the selector buttons from your main and build toolbars, or the Arrange button from your Scenery toolbar, you may need to reset these toolbars back to their default content. You can reset the affected toolbars using the Add Remove process from the drop arrow at the right end of each toolbar, and navigating to the Reset toolbar option. Then close down and restart Train Player to return to the new default arrangement.